Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to talk about the 3-element Yagi beam and how I've got mine set up. So there's the SY Sirio 3-element Yagi beam, approximately 26 feet off the ground, and all I've got there is it's attached onto a lightweight pole going down into the Yaesu G-1000DXC Rotator, and then it's on a 21-foot pole coming all the way down. And then I have it resting on the ground, and I have a T&K bracket top and bottom there, and then I've got a box on the wall which is where I put my quacks into when I'm not using the radio. So as you can see there on the left hand side, you can see the cable going along the floor and into the house. That's where I plug it into the radio. When I'm not using it, it all gets rolled up and gets put into that electrical box there, which is waterproof. So yeah, that's the way I set it up. And then I've got my cabling for the rotator pinned against the wall all the way along. It goes all the way along there and around into the garage. The coax is all in the tubing, all taped and secured up the antenna all the way up. So in total 26 feet off the ground. So in order for that antenna to rotate, I have to use a controller. However, it means I will have to keep going out into the garage in order to rotate the antenna around. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I actually rotate it round without actually going into the house and using the rotator controller that come with it. Okay, now there's two options we can do to get this wireless. Okay, and I've done both. So at the moment I currently have what I'm going to call the Gucci one on, the Gucci rotator controller, where basically I can rotate that antenna anywhere I want, and it will basically rotate. It will start off slow, then it speeds up as it gets around to where it needs to go. It then starts to slow down, and then it will pause on the exact degrees at which I want it to stop. So there you go. That is currently pointing over Denmark, and it goes over to China and into the Philippines. That's where that's currently pointing. And then I'm also going to show you the software in which I use as well to control it in another video. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to do today.